How to override HP printer cartridge error issue. For quick solutions. Method 1. Check connections. Step 1. Check if your printer and computer are connected properly via a USB cable. Step 2. Plug the USB cable into a different port on your device. Step 3. Ensure your printer and device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Method 2. Cleaning the cartridge contacts. Step 1. Open the printer's front cover. Step 2. Wait for the ink cartridge to come in the replacement position. Step 3. Remove the ink cartridges without touching the contacts. Step 4. Gently wipe the cartridge contact head with a dry, lint-free cloth. Step 5. Insert it back and close the front cover. Method 3. Updating the printer firmware. Step 1. Ensure your printer is connected to a stable internet connection. Step 2. On the printer display, go to Settings. Step 3. Tap on Printer Maintenance, then go to Printer Update. Step 4. Accept the web service terms of usage. Step 5. Turn on the Update the Printer Automatically option. Method 4. Ensure the printer is set to online. Step 1. Click on the search bar and open the control panel. Step 2. Select Devices and Printers. Step 3. Right-click on your HP printer. Step 4. Click on See What's Printing. Step 5. Unselect the Use Printer Offline option if checked. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.